Bro, you didn't wash your hands.
You alright?
Wash your hands, please. I will drop kick you through that door. Wish I had a beard like that. Won't grow.
Thank you for reminding me.
Yeah, you didn't wash them. You just put them under the dryer, but okay. Get out. Get out. I'm filming this whole fucking interaction right now.
Yeah, it's actually dry. See, like.
Yeah, okay. Get out.
Maybe if I ask was the reason asking you why I didn't wash my hands.
It's because I heard you laughing and acting all sorts of fucking weird. You took a piss, you flushed, and you didn't wash your hands.
Oh, I see.
You know, I can hear everything out here. So can she, and so can he. Your behavior is kind of suspect. You feeling okay today?
Well, actually, I just went. Okay, I'm sorry.
Are you drunk?
Not drunk. Just went.
Are you on drugs?
I just went through some shitty things in my life. I'm sorry.
Oh, dude, believe me, I live in a fucking tent in the woods for 2 years. I know shitty things. But it's good to stay clean, especially in current times.
I understand when you through some shitty things.
Well, I hope it gets better for you, man.
I hope it gets better.
Yep, me too.
I heard somebody at Hillside.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. God bless.